friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started right in the center with the nose. We're going to come down and we're going to draw in a sideways oval for that nose. Let's draw in the mustache. So right in the center of the nose, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. Let's round that out from the edge. So we're going to curve this back into the center. Now from here, coming underneath, we're going to curve that back up. Moving across to the middle, again, arching that over and through to the center. Let's close off the mouth underneath with a nice big arch line. For the tongue, we're going to curve this line completely across to the right. And then we'll just color in that open space behind black. Let's come under for the chin, so directly underneath, it's drawing in a curved line. Now let's move up for the eyes, stepping out on the left. We're going to curve this around, drawing that back in, connecting that to the line for the mustache. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Continuing with the eye, stepping down on this line. We're just going to curve this out, tucking that in. And then again, coming down, leaving a small gap, replicating that, arching this around, and back through, just lining that up at the same height. Let's add in our highlight. So on the very top, just drawing in a nice big circle. Now let's color this in black. Let's draw in Mario's eyebrows now. So we're just going to curve this over and across. And then from the side here, just rounding this out, curving this over and down. Let's close off the hat. So right in the center, drawing in an arch line. We're going to bring this underneath. So we're going to kind of curve this up and out this time for the brim of that hat. Just making sure it connects to our eyebrow. Let's round this out on the top. So we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line, connecting these together. Let's extend the hair underneath. So stepping in on this line, we're going to curve this out towards that mustache, tucking that back in. And then now we'll come underneath on a diagonal, curving this around and back up. Let's close off the cheeks. So stepping in towards the middle, we're going to curve this around and in, connecting that together. Now let's close off the ears. Stepping up, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. Let's come up. We're going to curve this line out. And then coming underneath, arching this back around and in. Final detail there. Let's draw the Mario symbol. So right in the center, we're going to step up and we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. Let's draw in the letter M above. So we're just going to draw in the letter M right on the top. And then we'll step in on a diagonal, replicating that again. Now from here, let's close this off on the side with a diagonal line. Let's move up. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line above our hat here, curving this around and down. And then we'll step in behind, curving this over and through towards the ear. Let's come down for the overall. So stepping over from the center for that strap, we're going to curve this around and up. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle for the button. We're going to close this off in the center with a curved line. Let's come down on the left. We're going to arch this around and in, We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the center, we're just going to draw in another curved line from left to right. From the middle, let's step out. We're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines. We'll do the exact same thing as we come up, bringing this diagonal line across. Now on the inside, we're just going to round this out, curving that in. Now from here, let's close off the top of the shoe. So we're just going to arch this around, leaving a gap from that top line, tucking this down. Ending that at the same height. For the leg here, we're going to just round out the edge, curving that down towards the top of the shoe. Let's come in for the back of that foot. We're just going to curve this down. And then now we're just going to close that off with a slight curved line directly underneath. And then we'll step up, replicating that one more time. Lastly, let's just finish off the arm. So stepping up, we're going to curve this line down. Now for the wrist, coming down here, we're going to arch this up, connecting it to that line, and then just continuing to round that out on the front. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So connecting that, curving that around, tucking that in. Let's come down now. So for the thumb, we're going to arch this around, connecting that to the torso, tucking that up. Stepping above this, we're going to round out the first finger, curving this over and up. And then now from here above that, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. This is just going to be the corner bracket. Now from here, for that center finger, tucking that back in. And then one final time, just rounding this out, connecting that to that line on the top, tucking that back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.